You watch The Big Bang Theory for the laughs, but hidden inside every episode was real, actual science. Not fake TV science, not made-up jargon. Here are 3 times The Big Bang Theory was telling you the absolute truth. Dr. David Saltzberg, UCLA professor and particle astrophysicist. Every week he filled the whiteboards on set with real verified physics. The show became so respected, real scientists started pitching their latest research to Saltzberg, hoping to get onto Sheldon's whiteboard. But here's the extraordinary part. One night, Saltzberg invited his own UCLA honors physics students to a live taping. They had just sat their midterm exam that same day. And right there on Sheldon's whiteboard were the complete solutions to every question on their exam. A private message, hidden in plain sight, on one of the most watched shows on television. Only those students in an audience of millions would ever understand what they were looking at. Season 1, Episode 17. Sheldon uses a famous physics thought experiment as dating advice. A cat placed in a sealed box with a vial of poison must be considered simultaneously both alive and dead until the box is opened. Most viewers laughed and moved on, but this was not a joke. Schrodinger's cat is the foundation of modern quantum mechanics, and millions of people learned it from a sitcom without even realizing. Season 3, Episode 6. Sheldon visits Penny's apartment to borrow bread. She points him to the fridge, and Sheldon delivers what most viewers assumed was just another throwaway line. He says, "You should not keep bread in the refrigerator. Staleness is caused by crystallization of starch molecules, which occurs faster at cool temperatures." Penny tells him, "On Earth we say thank you." The audience laughed, moved on. But Sheldon was completely right. Food scientists have confirmed this for decades. Bread does not go stale because it dries out. It goes stale because cold temperatures cause starch molecules to crystallize. And crystallization happens significantly faster in a fridge than at room temperature. Most people watching that scene were storing their bread wrong. 279 episodes. Behind every joke. Behind every whiteboard. Was a real physicist making sure every detail was true? Most people watched it as a comedy, but somewhere between the laughs, millions of people quietly learned quantum mechanics and how bread actually works. The greatest science lesson ever told was disguised as a sitcom. This has been oddly relevant. The stories you didn't know you needed.